Hey everyone, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay on Cashapp. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can actually use my link down below to sign up. And when you do use my link down below, we'll actually both get $5 added to our Cashapp accounts. Now, in order to pay on Cashapp, what you want to do is that when you first log in, you're going to reach your homepage that looks like this. You're going to click on the middle $ icon, and there are multiple ways that you could actually pay. So the first way is that if the merchant or vendor has a QR code, on the upper left hand corner, you can click the QR code icon and actually go ahead and scan the QR code. So that's the first way to pay on Cashapp. Now, if we exit out of that, the second way to pay on Cashapp is to actually insert a number. So let's pretend that you need to pay $5 to someone. You would just go ahead and insert the number 5 and then click on pay. And then find your contact. So over here where it says to, if you have them on your phone book, you could actually enter their name. You can enter their cash tag, phone, or email. Let's pretend that I need to pay Jack. I can just click on Jack and then click on pay on the upper right hand corner. So those are the two ways to actually go ahead and pay on Cashapp. It's fairly easy. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 straight to your account. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments